As dawn breaks, painting the sky in soft hues of pink and gold, a small village awakens to the call of the azan. Mithu, a bright green parrot, listens intently, perched atop a weathered rooftop, the sacred sounds filling the cool morning air. With a gentle flap of his wings, Mithu joins the chorus, his voice echoing, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. In the village square, a group of children gathers, their eyes full of wonder, focused on Mithu. Mithu, a vibrant parrot with emerald green feathers, bows his head, beginning his heartfelt prayer. Ya Allah, keep everyone safe, give us good hearts, and bless us with peace. The children erupt into joyful laughter, their hearts warmed by Mithu's earnest blessing, filling the square with happiness. In the village, faces etched with sorrow turn towards Mithu, seeking solace. Ya Allah, keep everyone safe, give us good hearts, and bless us with peace. Mithu prays, his words echoing in the hearts of the villagers. Mithu is no longer just a parrot, he has become the little prayer of the village, a beacon of hope in their despair.